Menteri Sarkar bat unong yalam ka United Democratic Party UDP Kyrmen Syllad ha ka arpenrio terik risa ula ong basyan an khat penlong ya ka jingalang paidbah banyo ya ka jingmynjur upat nong shnong ka East Jaintia Hills ha ka bayade ba ka jingtemu wanrah ya ka lynti rel ha ka nika district. Kyrmen Syllad ubalong ru UMLA ka kriat ula ong ba ka Donkam ban sngap ya ka sur upat ba bat ula ong balada ki pait nong shnong ki kershan ya ka lynti rel unyalam nanti ban pen urlong ya ka project. Watla kat taru ula ong balada ka sur jong ubabun balang ki persya unyang ringkat bat upat ba. Ula ong ru baharingkat bat ki wepat ki nong thawan kin penlet jingmut ban wanrah ya ki kampen roy na ka benta ban bit ban biang lang upat ba. Ula ong ba kerki ban aya karai ban kershan ne persya ya ka lynti rel bat ka badan kam kalong ba upat ba ude ban sngotu ya ka jing mentoy bat ka jing bom mentoy ya ka jingwan ka lynti rel. Ha ka bayade bat ka jingwan buhay shnong ki briu ki banabar ula ong ha ka jing sngo ka jong u de ban wanrah da ka rel kitmar bat ula ong ru ba ki paidbah kila ban jit da ka rel kitmar ne da ka rel kit briu. Ha ka bakut ka syong ha ka jingmynjur upat nong shnong ka East Jaintia Hills ban rai halor ka lynti rel laong Syllad.
I would like to mention here, for us, if we feel that through railway that influx will increase, so why not we just ask the government to implement only the goods carrier? Because goods carrier, I believe that nothing will happen with influx, nothing to do with influx. It will just help us because the good carriers, it will reduce the cost of the materials, especially when we import something from outside the state. So that's why I said here, to judge whether it's good or bad is too early. We have to know what exactly, because good carriers and public carriers, we can choose. If we feel that we don't want public carrier, even the government concerns about that. If we have train station, at least the good carriers. Public transportation thing, our people might not require it, but still, if it's there, they do require. But if they feel that not required, so still we can ask for goods carrier. That's one thing. If we have a goods carrier, this overloaded truck, especially the big trucks, which we comply through this national highway, because of them, we have seen that witness lots of accident happen and lots of this thing road damage has been done. Unless if we have a train, then goods carrier will be done by the train, and then public transport will be done by road. So the road condition also will be good, and public will have no traffic problems. That is what I feel my personal. But in the end, public's concern is very important.